are pre-cut into smaller pieces, making transportation easier. The cut tire pieces are professionally and meticulously stacked by the workers in the vulcanization tank, allowing more materials to fit in the fixed capacity tank, improving efficiency and saving fuel. Since the entire vulcanization tank has a capacity of 250 liters, filling it completely is not easy. Despite the large workload, the assistants are not afraid of hard work because they know that as long as they endure, the boss might get a new Land Rover by the end of the year. So for the boss's new Land Rover, they work diligently. Large tires are broken down into smaller pieces and placed in the vulcanization tank, while smaller tires are tied together with wire, making them easier to transport and saving space. With the joint efforts of many assistants, the entire loading process took only 24 hours. Once the tires fill the tank, the mechanical door is closed, and all the workshop's horns are called to lock the screws with 250 nanometers of torque. As the loading work ends, the workers immediately prepare the fuel to heat the vulcanization tank. Using local poplar roots mixed with tire scraps ensures a burn time of over 24 hours. The workers manually stack the fuel in the chamber, ensuring all spaces are filled with wood and rubber to avoid uneven heating during the process. Then they pour waste oil on the wood to make ignition smoother. Once the wood is lit, it undergoes a brief preheat, and ventilation equipment ensures all the wood burns fully. The vulcanization tank's drive is activated to rotate the tank, ensuring even heating. The temperature inside the tank is raised to 80 degrees Celsius, and in the oxygen-free environment, the organic materials in the tires decompose, turning solid tires into pyrolysis oil with a yield of 40%. Materials that don't react become carbon black, which can be remade into rubber products or used in other industrial and construction materials. After cooling, the carbon black from the vulcanization tank is packed into pre-prepared burlap sacks to be sold at a high price to downstream clients. To save space, assistants move the packed carbon black to a reserved temporary storage area and seal it with rope to prevent rainwater entry. Once packing is complete, the assistants open the vulcanization tank's outlet. Since the tires contain a non-melting steel wire layer, after the rubber decomposes, the steel wires are tangled together. They can be pulled out of the tank using special hooks and high-powered winches for recycling. The separated pyrolysis oil is stored in special 50-liter iron barrels for easy transport, preventing leaks and reducing safety hazards. After full decomposition, the oil is of very high purity. It only needs further refining to be made into diesel for sale.